My name's Tom Preston. I'm a filmmaker. I've recently graduated from a one-year filmmaking course at the Met Film School, which is based in West London, and I'm just starting a career in the film industry. We've got studios, but I think the connection between independent and studio films is a lot stronger in England. I mean, this is my view, it's just an opinion, you know. But in America, there's a very big, solid studio system which Hollywood's built around, and then there's independent film, and you see some great independent films, and it's nice, and, you know, some of the best work's independent, obviously, you know, where they really spend time over the script and, you know, all this stuff which you don't really see as much in Michael Bay's work, let's put it that way. So, but yeah, I think it's completely different, you know. I think French cinema's not been doing as well in the last 5 years, apparently, but I don't see it. French cinema's very good. You know, I enjoy foreign cinema. Run Lola Run, I mean, you know, yeah, it's a brilliant film. And yeah, so yeah, I think British cinema has got its own unique spot, and I think people kind of respect that to a certain degree, but they kind of take it with a pinch of salt. I think the way the world view of this British cinema is they're capable, but it's kind of like it's a little country which is an island, and you can kind of push it to one side, and it's not really a big player, and it's not really that important, and they don't really know what they're doing. And I completely believe that, you know. You see things at Cannes and stuff like that, and we should be one of the biggest players, and we're just not. You know, I just don't think there's enough money. I think the money's probably going into a lot of the wrong places. I think that, you know, I just think there's too many gaps to fill, really, and you know, I think a lot of people get to a certain point in their careers, especially directors and producers, and they realise that to continue the sort of ascent of their career, they need to move to America. The kind of films that we make, you see a lot of sort of socio-realism, a lot of drama, a lot of period pieces, and I think that's how we're seen in England, is what we do, and gangster films, and it's really, we seem kind of limited to what we can make and what the world view of our cinema is. You know, if you compare it to French cinema, for example, or even anywhere on the continent or in the world, and, you know, when you come to think of BBC in England and English cinema, it's period piece, socio-realism, drama, football hooliganism, you know. I think British television has hoarded itself. I think it's a proper prostitute of itself, and it's sold itself out, and it's, can I say fuck? It's fucked itself because it's sold out, and it's lost integrity, and it's something that we'll never be able to get back. Two words: reality television. You know, that's it. Sold itself out, you know, and it's worked. I'll watch Big Brother. I'll admit it, you know, and a bit of Shipwrecked and all this, and I've been taken in by this whirlwind piece of crap, basically. And yeah, the whole idea of putting people in a situation just to argue, and they design and they, you know, they tailor an environment so it's heightened aggravation. It's disgusting, you know. It's absolutely disgusting. And I still do it. I still watch it. And the idea that humans get off on watching other people argue because, you know, and it's, you know, I don't like it. It is tough, but it's a good challenge at the same time, because you know that there's these voids to be filled. Somebody's got to fill them. I just hope they're not filled long enough so I can be the first one sort of 5 years down the line to be able to really forefront British cinema. I mean, there's been some great British films lately, you know, from A Cock and Ball Story to Layer Cake. You know, there's some nice examples of really nice British films, but I think, you know, we're capable of a lot more.